Transform your DIY game with Rust-Oleum 376855 5-in-1 spray paint. Fast, flexible, and flawless finish. When it comes to tackling DIY projects, Rust-Oleum's 376855 Stops Rust Custom Spray 5-in-1 paint is a game-changer. This isn't your typical spray paint, it's your new best friend in every project, whether you're revamping metal furniture or giving your old wooden deck a facelift. With a custom spray dial offering 5 spray patterns, you have complete control, from high output for broad surfaces to low output for intricate details. Say goodbye to the hassle of using multiple cans. This one can does it all. Need a quick fix or a full-on rework? It's got your back. This isn't just about convenience, it's about top-tier quality. The Stops Rust formula in this flat black finish provides 30% greater corrosion resistance and enhanced color retention than regular spray paints. That means your projects stay fresh and flawless for much longer, even when faced with the elements. It's not just paint, it's protection that'll last. The fast-drying formula makes it a lifesaver for time-sensitive projects, giving you the ultimate durability without the long wait time. When it comes to versatility, Rust-Oleum 376855 is an absolute powerhouse. The 5-in-1 dial makes it easy to switch between spray options, making the process smoother and faster. Whether you're spraying a large curved surface with the high output nozzle or getting into the tricky corners with the low output option, the spray paint adjusts to your needs. No more worrying about overspray or uneven coverage, just smooth, precise, and professional-looking results every time. If you're tired of the same old spray paint cans that only deliver mediocre results, Rust-Oleum's 376855 will have you wondering why you didn't switch sooner. It's an affordable, tech-tested solution that maximizes every drop of paint. With 5 spray patterns to choose from and a 360-degree spray technology, you'll not only save money by covering more ground in fewer coats but also save time by making your projects go quicker and smoother than ever. Quality meets innovation with Rust-Oleum's 376855. It's chip-resistant, scratch-resistant, and capable of covering up to 10 square feet per can. You're not just getting a paint job, you're investing in a long-lasting finish that looks great and holds up over time. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a pro, this product's easy application, excellent coverage, and durability make it the smart choice for your next project. Why settle for less when you can have it all with Rust-Oleum?